Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about another data type named dictionary, and it is really important for you to understand it because it deals with HTTP calls and many things. So let me start with dictionary by creating a new file, and I name this file dictionary. So I say dictionary this way, okay? Then I click save. So what do you mean by dictionary? Think about you have a number of information about person, name, age, and the salary, for example. So how you represent this information? So you suppose I have person, and this person have number of information, name, age, and as I told you, salary. So you will say equal dict, I mean dictionary I have, then you will open the bracket, you say okay, he have name, and this way hopefully name, and the name will be equal, for example, Hussein, and you say semicolon, the age equal 27, for example, and salary hopefully salary equal 80 is not my salary. Yeah. So yes, just some information about this person. So if you see what we mean by dictionary, mean I have person, and this person have a number of information, his name, his age, and his salary. If I just click print here for person, I would see all this information. I click write dictionary, you see this information I have, it's salary, this one, age, this one, name, this one. If you see, this is all the information I have it about this person. The data type of dictionary should be immutable. So immutable. So what do you mean by immutable? You say this data could be changed. So it's really easy to change any value here. So let me think about changing the name. After here, I want to print only the name. So first of all, let me print the name. So to print only the name, I just give it the key. I say, okay, I have the key name at open a bracket name, print it to me. Just click run, you will see the name is Hussein. How he did that? When I say, hey, from person a print name, he will look for key name at name. He will go here, he see this key, so then he bring the value. If I want to print age, make sure I do the same way. If capital is small, he will go here and look for key name at age, he brings the value. So the idea behind the dictionary is just key and value. Think about it in this way. Think about it this way, really basic thing. So you have key and you have value. Every key have a specific value. For example, if you say I have a name, and in the name I added Hussein, whatever. I have another name, age. I have whatever, just not clear. So let me just make it more clear for you so you would understand. I have a name, and this name you add Hussein, for example. Okay, it's just key and value. So and here you have age as a key, you have value at 27. You have salary as a key, you have value as 18k. So yes, this is basically how you define dictionary. So if you see all this dictionary under person name, so if you want to access to anything, just person for name, person for age, person for salary. So you want to access for age, he say person for age. You want to access to name, he say person for name. So if you just click run, if you see it here, the name Hussein. Yeah. What if we say this data is immutable, not immutable, is immutable, okay? Not immutable, sorry, immutable. So that means could be changed. So that means I could change the person name here. If I just say, hey, person name, change it to Hussein Al-Rubai, hopefully. Then after this, after you change it, print the name again. Okay, hopefully now the name will be updated. See, he updated the name. So first he print Hussein, then after I update the name, hopefully I just write the type of the name correctly. So yes, so you see here, first he print Hussein, then when I update it to Hussein Al-Rubai, he just updates. So it's really easy to update any key. Also, it's really easy to add a new key. Think about you want to add a new key to the person. What do you think this key? Let me think about insurance. Okay, whatever. You say yes. So now if I just try, I would not print it add insurance here, I would add it here. Then after this one I would just print the person. If you see that, and let's see, did he add the insurance? Here you go, here is it. So if you see first, I have 3 keys: salary, age, name, because this only I define it. But I easy to update Hussein to Hussein al-Rubai. If you see it, yeah, he take Hussein and change to Hussein al-Rubai, and you see it, here is the name is Hussein al-Rubai. And also easy to add insurance, yes, whatever. So yes, did you see how is this mutable? That means really easy to update key, to add a new key. Also you could delete any key. So think about, you want to delete the age, so you say okay, person for age, I want to delete this one. Really easy, just write deal for this key, he directly will delete this key. If you just try to print again the person, you would see it, you will not see, there is no age. So just add messages to make it clear. So you say here print delete age, just messages to show it easier. So here you say add insurance, hopefully insurance changes spelling to insurance, yeah, add insurance key, and you say here I have update name, print update name, here is the update, not here is, and yeah, that is. So if I just click run again to see this is my what I have it, name, age, name, salary, I have Hussein, I'm just updating name to Hussein al-Rubai, I adding insurance, if you see here is the insurance, then I delete the age, if you see there is no age here. So yes, this is basically how you work with dictionary. Make sure you're understanding very well. It's really easy. Just you define your parameter name, your variable, you say define dictionary, you give key value, then semicolon, key value, and you continue with your keys and values. When you want to add a new key, just directly say give the name of the key for that parameter and give it the value, and you're done. You want to delete, just say delete for that parameter or that variable and give a key name. He will delete it directly for you. When you want to read it, really easy to read it. Did you see how it's easy to do all these things? So last thing, what if I want to ask you to print the salary? So I say print salary. How you do print for it? Hopefully salary here. How you say? It's really easy, Jay. Okay, print from the person. I want the key name, it's salary. If you don't have it, just take copy from it here and you print it. So yeah, now let me, here is it. Yes, if you see, here is the salary. So yes, here we done, and hopefully you understand, and thank you for watching.